In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit AI Agent. We're going to keep this simple and hands-on so you can start building right away. The Replit AI Agent is a conversational coding assistant built into Replit. Think of it as a partner that turns your plain English instructions into real files and runnable code directly in your browser. Begin by opening the Replit homepage in your browser. From the home screen, you'll see your dashboard with recent projects and a chat area for the AI agent. That chat box is where all the magic happens. If you don't see it immediately, look for an input field labeled for AI or agent on the main page. You don't need to create a project first. The agent can spin one up for you from the conversation. In the chat box, type a clear description of the project you want. Being specific helps the agent get it right on the first try. For example, mention the programming language, framework, and the core features. You might say something like, create a simple to-do list web app in Python using Flask with add, edit, and delete tasks and store data in a local file. You can also include constraints like keep it in one file, use TypeScript, or style with Tailwind. If you have a preferred folder structure or file names, include those too. The more context you provide, the better the initial result. Once you send your prompt, the Replit AI agent will outline a plan and begin creating the project. It typically explains what it's building, generates files, and may show you how to run the app. Watch the file tree and the editor as it works. If the plan looks slightly off, reply in the same chat to correct it. No need to start over. You can ask it to rename files, switch libraries, or simplify a function. If you run into an error, paste the error message back into the chat and say what you were expecting. The agent can diagnose and patch the issue. As the code appears, skim the comments and any README content the agent provides. These often include setup or run instructions you can follow immediately. You can also ask for extras like unit tests, basic documentation, or performance tips. If the design isn't quite right, request visual tweaks or a different layout. Keep the conversation focused and iterative. Describe what to change, why, and any constraints. And that's the whole flow. Open the Replit homepage, describe the project you want in the chat, and let the AI agent create and refine it with your guidance. Take your time, be specific, and iterate until it matches your vision. Thanks for watching and happy building.